So what I'll do, quickly demonstrate how to install TradesAI indicator. And this is TradingView I have loaded in here. Now I do have a premium account on TradingView, but you don't need a premium account to use TradesAI. But if you do have a TradingView premium account, obviously it's so much more powerful in terms of the features. So it's not a bad idea to even get a premium TradingView subscription once you get a hang of how to use the tool. So what you will do to find it after you go to the website and pay the subscription or get a subscription, you will get a welcome message, welcome email, and the instructions on the post payment page. And then you'll just follow the instructions. And basically, you will go to tradingview.com and look for indicators, the search box, and then just type TradesAI, and you'll find the premium one, this one in here, with a lock next to it. So you just click on it, and given you already paid for it, it will be available to you. If once you pay, it will be able to you'll be able to add it to your chart. Now, sometimes it might take a bit of time. This is from TradingView, not from our side. So you can refresh the page like what's happening here. Let me just refresh the page.
Yeah, guys, just important when this happens. This is from TradingView side. Just don't spam it, because then it will open up like 100 of these different boxes. Yeah, every time you click it, it will open. You just have to give it some time to load.
Okay, so this is how it looks like when you load TradesAI indicator.